It was the first day of the new school term. The classroom buzzed with excitement. Students chatted with friends they hadn't seen all summer. Suddenly, the teacher walked in with a smile. "Class, we have a new student today," she announced. "This is Amina. She has just moved here from Morocco." The students turned to look. Amina wore a bright scarf and held her books tightly. She looked a little nervous, but also hopeful. During the break, some students whispered. "Her clothes look different," said one. "I wonder what language she speaks," said another. Maya, a friendly girl, decided to approach her. "Hi, I'm Maya," she said with a smile. "Do you want to sit with us?" Amina's face lit up. "Yes, thank you," she replied softly. Her English wasn't perfect, but everyone understood. Over the next few days, Amina began to share little pieces of her culture. She told them about Eid, a festival where families gather, share food, and give gifts. She explained that couscous was a popular dish in her country. The students listened with wide eyes. "That sounds amazing," said David. "Can you show us more about Morocco?" asked Maya. The teacher overheard and had an idea. "Why don't we organize a cultural fair?" she said. "Each of you can share something from your background." The day of the cultural fair arrived. The school hall was decorated with flags, posters, and food from around the world. There were Indian samosas, Mexican tacos, Chinese lanterns, and South African music. Amina set up her table with colorful fabrics and Moroccan pastries. She told stories about her hometown, the desert, and the markets filled with spices. Everyone was fascinated. They realized that differences weren't strange. They were something to celebrate. At the end of the day, the teacher gathered the class. "Today, we learned that our differences make us stronger," she said. "When we respect and include each other, we all grow." Amina smiled. She no longer felt like an outsider. She felt like she belonged. And now, I want to ask you, what tradition or festival is special in your culture? Share it in the comments below. I would love to hear your story. If you enjoyed this story, don't stop here. Watch the next story in our playlist for more English practice. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next story lesson. There are lots of great videos waiting for you on this channel, all to help you improve your English, step by step.